Hey guys, so recently YouTube updated their app to change the way that the quality selector looks. We're all used to changing it from like 480p to 720p to 1080p, going into the settings or the little cog or whatever, or the three dots, and clicking on that and changing it customly in there. But now they have a new way of doing that specifically on mobile. So I figured I'd make a video kind of going over how to change those. And there's a special way in settings to set the default for your quality preferred on mobile and Wi-Fi. So we're going to go over those today. All right, so with Android, click on the video that you want to watch, and then nothing really has changed on this screen. But if you click on the video itself and then tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see that the quality option there just says auto 480p. But if you click on that, it shows a whole different selector for the quality. So you'll see auto, higher picture quality, data saver, or advanced. So in most circumstances, you can probably just leave it on auto and you'll be fine. But if you want to have higher picture quality, you can click on that. It'll ramp it up to higher picture quality, or you can save data by using the data saver one. If you want to manually select your custom resolution, hit on advanced, and then all of that will open up for you there. Now we're going to look into a custom setting that allows you to set the default quality that you want your videos to play at on mobile and Wi-Fi. All right, we're going to start with Android, and to begin, pretty much just start by clicking on your little profile icon in the top right. Then look for the thing that says settings kind of towards the bottom, click on that. And then in the list, there should be an option saying video quality preferences, so click on that one. Here you'll be able to choose, whether you want higher picture quality on mobile or Wi-Fi, or you can set it to do data saving, so you can save data while on mobile. My preferred settings would be on Wi-Fi. I would say go ahead and choose the higher picture quality right there. And then for mobile networks, I would say leave it on auto or choose the data saver one, because usually most people like to save data while out and about. That's just my preference. You can always go ahead and choose the higher picture quality one if you want. All right, and now we're going to do iPhone. So with this, click on the video that you want and then tap on the actual video itself. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the three dots and it'll say quality auto 720p. Click on that and it'll bring you to this quality selector screen now. It says auto recommended, higher picture quality, data saver, or advanced. It's a little different from before because normally you're used to the custom resolutions, but now you have these options. So higher picture quality means higher picture quality, data saver means it'll be a lower picture quality, but you'll save more data. Or you can go into advanced and click on the custom resolutions there. I would say for most circumstances, you can probably leave it on auto and it should be fine. Although if you want to bump up the quality, go ahead. If you want to save some data, go ahead as well. So then on iPhone, if you want more custom control of the quality, you can hit the top right icon for your profile, then go down to settings. Then here you'll have to scroll down a little tiny bit until you get to video quality preferences. It says select your default streaming quality for all videos. You can change streaming quality in player options for single videos. So you can choose on mobile networks. I would recommend probably either data saver or auto. And then for Wi-Fi, I would recommend just higher picture quality always, just because why not? Usually Wi-Fi is unlimited. Sometimes mobile data plans are limited, so it just kind of depends on what your current situation is in. But if you want to use more data on mobile, be my guest. So yeah, that's it pretty much for the mobile selectors. Currently there is nothing changed with the desktop quality selectors, and they may change that in the future. Just for reference, today is May 18th. So anything after this, it may change, but knowing YouTube, they usually tinker with things. So it may be slightly different from the way I showed you, but generally it's going to be like this from here on out. If it does change, I'll make an update video on it for you guys, but otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and enjoy your higher quality, your data savings. See ya.